Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Vector Databases. Storing and finding AI's memories in a flash. Imagine you're building an AI. It needs to remember things. Not just simple facts like user ID 123, but complex ideas, concepts, and relationships. How do you store the asterisk meaning of a sentence, the visual characteristics of an image, or the sound of a voice so that your AI can quickly find related information? Traditional databases aren't great at this. Enter vector databases, specialized data stores designed to help AI store, manage, and instantly find complex memories based on their meaning, not just keywords. Computers, at their core, only understand numbers. When we talk about a sentence like, "The cat sat on the mat," or show an AI a picture of a dog, how does the computer turn that into something it can process and, more importantly, compare for similarity? If you search a regular database for "find all blue cars," it's easy. But what if you want to find all vehicles similar to a sports car? Regular databases struggle immensely with this kind of conceptual, meaning-based search. This is where vectors come in. In AI, a vector is simply a list of numbers that represents a piece of data, be it a word, a sentence, an image, or even an entire document. Think of it like coordinates on a map. A point, 5, 3, means something specific. In AI, these vectors can have hundreds or even thousands of dimensions. The magic is that similar items, like apple, the fruit, and banana, will have vectors that are numerically close to each other in this high-dimensional space, while dissimilar items, Apple, the fruit, and Microsoft, the company, will have vectors that are far apart. So, how do we get these magical lists of numbers, vectors, from our raw data? We use special AI models called embedding models. These models are trained to take human-readable input, like text, an image, or audio, and translate it into a numerical vector that captures its essential features and semantic meaning. As a developer, you feed your data into an embedding model, and it spits out a vector. This process is crucial because it turns abstract human concepts into a format that computers can understand and perform calculations on for similarity. Traditional databases, like SQL or even NoSQL options, are fantastic for structured data, storing records, linking tables, and searching for exact matches or filtering by specific attributes. But they are not built for comparing the meaning of data. Trying to search for similar items by comparing thousands of numbers for every single entry would be incredibly slow and inefficient in a regular database. It's like asking a librarian who only knows how to sort by author and title to find all books that feel similar to a specific novel. They simply don't have the right tools. Vector databases are purpose-built to store these high-dimensional vectors and, critically, perform lightning-fast similarity searches. They use advanced algorithms, like approximate nearest neighbor, ANN, to quickly find all vectors that are close to a given query vector. This means they can instantly tell you which items in your dataset are conceptually similar to your input. They are optimized for these kinds of "what's like this" queries, making them indispensable for modern AI applications that rely on understanding context and meaning. As a developer, understanding vector databases opens up many powerful possibilities. 1. Semantic search. Asterisk building search engines that understand the asterisk intent behind a query, not just keywords. 2. Recommendation systems. Asterisk suggesting products, movies, or content that are truly similar to what a user already likes. 3. RAG. Retrieval Augmented Generation. Asterisk, a popular technique for large language models. LLMs. When an LLM gets a question, it can first query a vector database to find relevant facts or documents, and then use those to generate a more accurate, up-to-date, and less hallucinated answer. 4. Anomaly detection. Asterisk, identifying unusual patterns or outliers in data. In essence, vector databases are a foundational technology for almost any advanced AI application today. They empower AI systems to move beyond simple keyword matching to genuinely understand and process information based on its meaning. For you as a developer, mastering this concept means you can build more intelligent, context-aware, and powerful AI applications that truly remember and reason about the world in a way traditional systems never could. It's about giving your AI the ability to make intelligent connections fast. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.